Planiseal MSP, a moisture control membrane, adhesive isolator, sealer, pH blocker, and primer. This robust one-component water-based solution specializes in controlling moisture on concrete slabs but does much more. When applied by roller in a two-coat method, Planiseal MSP protects flooring installations against elevated moisture and pH levels in concrete slabs, in addition to isolating adhesive residue, sealing off biologic contaminants such as pet urine, and acting as the final primer for self-leveling underlayments. Among the many features and benefits of Planiseal MSP are: it is colored red to help ensure proper coverage. Its water-based formulation offers easy use, cleanup, and storage. It offers moisture protection up to 15 pounds or 6.8 kilograms in moisture vapor emission rate and up to 99% relative humidity. And it provides moisture control, adhesive encapsulation, and priming for self-leveling compounds all in one product. To place Planiseal MSP, the concrete substrate must be clean, dry, and porous. A water drop test will indicate the suitability of the concrete subfloor to receive Planiseal MSP. Simply place several drops of water on the concrete surface and observe how long it takes for the drops to be absorbed. If the drops do not penetrate, this indicates a non-porous slab and the need for mechanical abrasion before Planiseal MSP can be applied. To apply Planiseal MSP, simply pour a ribbon of material on the concrete surface. Roll out the product evenly in parallel lines, using a 1/4 inch or 6 mm nap roller to cover the entire exposed surface. The wet film thickness for the first coat should be about 8 to 10 mils. Allow this first coat to cure for 1 to 3 hours, or until it is completely dry to the touch. Apply a second coat, rolling Planiseal MSP perpendicular to the first application to ensure 100% coverage. The wet film thickness for the second coat should be about 6 to 8 mils. The second coat may take up to 4 hours to cure, depending on ambient temperature and humidity conditions. At this point, traditional techniques of floor covering preparation or installation can proceed without further steps. Self-levelers, patches, and most adhesives can be applied directly onto the dry surface of Planiseal MSP. Flooring can be installed as dictated by the technical data sheets of those products. Keep in mind that Planiseal MSP creates a non-porous substrate, so install accordingly. Planiseal MSP is Mapei's exciting new mid-range solution for moisture control. When maximum response is not required, Planiseal MSP provides performance loaded with features and benefits.